everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn some short, simple and easy English sentences. So let's get started. Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Stand still.
Stand still.
Taste it.
Taste it.
What's the time?
What's the time?
Don't move.
Don't move.
Take a bite.
Take a bite.
Anything else?
Anything else?
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Take a sip.
Take a sip.
Put your books in the bag.
Put your books in a bag.
You may fall down.
You may fall down.
Cut your nails.
Cut your nails.
Get ready for school.
Get ready for school.
Do you need help?
Need help?
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Have patience.
Have patience.
Go study.
Go study.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.
Speak loudly.
Speak loudly.
Walk slowly.
Walk slowly.
Have your food.
Have your food.
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
Don't be shy.
Be shy.
Set the table.
Set the table.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Don't eat ice cream.
Don't eat ice cream.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
It's raining.
It's raining.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Get up.
Get up.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Be happy.
Be happy.
Don't forget. Don't forget. Please understand.
Please understand.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Don't make faces. Don't make faces. Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. It's time to take a bath. It's time to take a bath. Change your clothes.
Change your clothes.
Where are your slippers?
Where are your slippers?
Please give a glass of water.
Please give glass of water.
Chew your food.
Chew your food.
Don't bite your nails.
Don't bite your nails.
Can you sit still? Can you sit still? Don't tear your pages.
Don't tear your
What did your ma'am say? What did your ma'am say? Don't pick your nose.
Don't pick your nose.
Why are you not answering? Why are you not answering? Did you hurt yourself? Did you hurt yourself? What are you playing?
What are you playing?
Did mosquito bite you? Did mosquito bite you? Touch the switch.
Don't touch the switch.
Speak slowly.
Speak slowly.
Who gave you the candy?
Give you candy.
Don't argue.
Don't argue.
Let your father work.
Let your father walk.
Believe me.
Believe me.
Write it.
Write it.
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
Don't be lazy.
Don't be lazy.
Don't jump.
Don't jump.
Move aside.
Move aside.
Move a bit.
Move a bit.
This is easy.
This is easy.
Now you try.
Now you try.
Go back.
Go back.
You are very good.
You are very good.
Why are you silent?
Why are you silent?
This one.
This one.
That one.
That one.
Are you sick?
Are you sick?
Go and play.
Go and play.
Go upstairs.
Go upstairs.
Come downstairs.
Come downstairs.
What are you looking for?
What are you looking for?
Don't make a noise.
Don't make a noise.
Get ready for school.
Get ready for school.
What happened at school?
What happened in school?
Did ma'am say anything? Did ma'am say anything? Bring your diary.
Bring your diary.
Teacher will scold you.
Teacher will scold you.
Ask your father.
Ask your father.
Are you full?
Are you full?
Brush your teeth properly.
Brush your teeth properly.
Rinse your mouth.
Rinse your mouth.
Can you tell?
Can you tell?
What's that?
What's that?
Let's go.
Let's go.
This is for you.
This is for you.
Don't whisper.
Don't whisper.
Come to me. be naughty.
Don't be naughty.
Don't disturb me.
Don't disturb me.
Put them in order. Put them in order. Did you wash your hands?
Did you wash your hands?
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Finish your homework.
Finish your homework.
Thanks for watching.
Like, share, subscribe.